All right, 2-hour drive later from Atlanta. We're now in Milledgeville, Georgia, small town. We're here at Georgia College. I'm gonna clean the mirrors of a CDK-24 telescope for a client on this service visit. And I'm looking at the dome right now. I'm excited. I grabbed a few supplies. I grabbed distilled water. I grabbed unscented tissues. I grabbed a squirt bottle and grabbed a little bit of unscented soap. I'm going to use those 4 things to clean the mirror today and finish it off tomorrow morning. Should be pretty sweet. Here's a dome. Well, we just finished up for the day. We cleaned the secondary mirror and we had a big rainstorm come through. You probably could see the rainbow behind me. It's pretty cool. Tomorrow, their staff technician that runs the observatory is gonna come visit. So I left cleaning the primary mirror until tomorrow when we will do that together, show him how it's done and make sure we take our time, clean the mirror and get them all back up and running. Okay, so today we're going to clean the mirrors on a CDK-24. We put a few drops of soap into our spray bottle and we fill the rest of it up with distilled water. And we have our non-lotion tissues that we use to clean once we spray the mirror and just to gently remove any of the surface material that has deposited onto the mirror. I use some blow duster sparingly just to try to get any hard material off before we actually work and touch on the mirror to prevent any scratches from going across the mirror. We've aimed the telescope downward and we've already cleaned the secondary mirror. Looks much better than before. So next up we're going to do the main primary mirror. Same process, just take our time, spray a little bit of water, use tissues to remove any of the remaining water to clean off all the debris. Okay, so we got our soap and water. We have plenty of tissues. We're gonna spray a little bit of the mirror at a time, section by section, and gently wipe away, discarding the tissues, grabbing new tissues as we work our way along the mirror. Go all the way around the mirror in that same pattern until it's cleaned. Okay, I definitely wasn't kidding about using a lot of tissues. That way we make sure everything stays clean and we're not pulling debris across the mirror and scratching anything. So use as many tissues as you need.